Hi everyone, I'm Sophia Tilbury, and today I'm going to be recreating the beautiful Sarah Hyland's wedding day makeup created by the talented makeup artist Danica Bedrosian using Charlotte's Beauty Secrets. Sarah was glowing in a shimmering smoky eye and the perfect Pillow Talk lip. Let's get started with skin. First up, Multi Miracle Glow Balm and Pore Refining Glow Toner to get a perfectly plump looking base. Then she went in with the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir to instantly hydrate, smooth and brighten the complexion. Massage Magic Eye Rescue along the eye socket to brighten. I always use Charlotte's Magic Cream to moisturize and prime the complexion before makeup. It's the perfect way to get a super nourished, hydrated looking complexion that lasts all day. Then finally, glide on the supercharged Magic Lip Oil for beautifully conditioned, smoother feeling lips. Following with Beautiful Skin Foundation, my go-to base for an instant radiant glow. Next up, Magic Vanish, the perfect peach tone color corrector to cancel pigmentation before makeup. Simply blend up and out to cheat the light. I'm also using Beautiful Skin Radiant Concealer to create a facelift effect. Choose a concealer 2 shades lighter than your foundation and glide over the under eyes, smile lines, outer corners of the mouth and jaw. Then buff upwards and outwards for a brightening lift effect. To satin soft focus for the look of pores, I'm using Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder down the T-zone. Then Airbrush Brightening Flawless Finish to illuminate and lift the look of the under eye area and smile lines. This is a great trick for brides, so I'm brushing through with Brow Fix Gel. Then adding light hair strokes with Brow Cheat through the arch and tail. So I'm starting with the Pillow Talk palette, pressing the Enhance shade into the outer corners of the eyes. Then using a mix of the Enhance and Define shades from the Sophisticate palette to lightly contour the outer corners and crease. Using a precision brush, define the lower lash line before dialing up the smoke in the outer corners too. Then I'm jumping back to Pillow Talk, using my finger to press in the shimmering prime shade into the center of the lid and inner corners for a widening effect. For an added twinkle or iridescence, Danica used Eyes to Mesmerize in Sunlit Glow on the inner corners, and tie everything together with the Pillow Talk Pop shade for a mesmerizing shimmer on the center of the lids. To elongate and accentuate the eyes, I always love a feline flick on brides. It's a great way to make your eye shape stand out in the crowd. Finish with Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes Mascara and your favorite individual lashes. And then it's time for lips. You can't go wrong with Pillow Talk, and Sarah's bridal look was absolutely flawless with the Pillow Talk Original Lip Cheat and Liner, then top with a matching lipstick for a long-lasting pout. Press Beautiful Skin Bronzer upwards into the hollows of the cheekbones for a creamy, natural-looking contour. Then, accentuate the high points of the face with Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight to create a dreamy, sun-kissed glow. Mist with the Airbrush Setting Spray to lock everything together, and that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Shop Charlotte's Bridal Beauty Secrets now on charlottetilbury.com.